Hello, I'm Sarah, and welcome to Travel Partner Official. Today, we're whisking you away to Zagreb, the vibrant capital of Croatia. From its Austro-Hungarian architecture to its quirky museums and lively markets, Zagreb offers a truly captivating experience. Over the next few minutes, we'll journey through the heart of Zagreb, uncovering its hidden gems and must-see attractions. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Zagreb together. Our first stop takes us to the iconic Zagreb Cathedral, a true symbol of the city's resilience and faith. Just picture this: towering spires reaching for the heavens, intricate Gothic details, and stained glass windows that bathe the interior in a kaleidoscope of colors. Step inside, and you'll be transported back centuries. Take a moment to admire the ornate altar, the intricate carvings, and the sheer grandeur of it all. As you wander through the cathedral, imagine the countless lives that have sought solace and inspiration within these walls. From coronations to funerals, the Zagreb Cathedral has borne witness to the ebb and flow of Zagreb's history. Before you leave, take a stroll around the cathedral's exterior, admiring the intricate sculptures and gargoyles that adorn its facade. Now, let's change gears and explore a truly unique museum experience, the Museum of Broken Relationships. Inside, you'll find a fascinating collection of objects donated by people from all over the world, each with its own story of love, loss, and letting go. From love letters and photographs to wedding dresses and even an axe, every item represents a chapter in someone's life. Take your time browsing the exhibits, reading the often poignant, often humorous stories behind each object. The Museum of Broken Relationships is a testament to the fact that even in heartbreak, there is beauty, humor, and ultimately hope. Ready for a dose of charm? Let's wander through Zagreb's upper town, a captivating blend of history, culture, and stunning views. As you stroll along the cobblestone streets, imagine yourself stepping back in time. Be sure to check out St. Mark's Church with its vibrantly tiled roof, a true symbol of Zagreb. And don't miss the Lodorskak Tower, where every day at noon a cannon blasts a booming reminder of the city's past. Stop for a coffee at a sidewalk cafe, soak in the atmosphere, and watch the world go by. Look for the old gas lamps that still illuminate the streets after dark, casting a warm glow on the centuries-old buildings. Whether you spend an afternoon or a whole day exploring, the upper town is sure to leave a lasting impression. It's a place where history comes alive, and where every corner reveals a new treasure waiting to be discovered. For a true taste of local life, head to Dolac Market, Zagreb's bustling open-air market. This is a feast for the senses. Imagine colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, the air thick with the aroma of spices and baked goods. Be sure to try some Stroll, a local delicacy of baked pastry filled with cheese or cottage cheese. Even if you're not in the mood for shopping, Dolac Market is worth a visit just for the lively atmosphere. It's a great place to people watch, soak up the local culture, and maybe even practice a few Croatian phrases with the friendly vendors. Need a break from the city buzz? Escape to Maximir Park, Zagreb's sprawling green oasis. This is the perfect place to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. Rent a rowboat and glide across the serene lake, or pack a picnic and find a shady spot under the trees. Keep an eye out for the park's resident peacocks. They love to strut their stuff for visitors. Maximir Park is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving green spaces amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Calling all art enthusiasts. A visit to Zagreb wouldn't be complete without experiencing the Art Pavilion, a stunning Art Nouveau masterpiece. Admire paintings, sculptures, installations, and multimedia works by both Croatian and international artists. The Art Pavilion is a hub of creativity and innovation, always pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. After exploring the exhibitions, take a moment to admire the pavilion's architecture. The building itself is a work of art, with its intricate details, colorful facade, and graceful curves. Traveling with little explorers? A visit to the Zagreb Zoo is sure to be a hit. Home to over 2,000 animals representing over 275 species, The zoo offers a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of the animal kingdom. The zoo is designed with animal welfare in mind, with spacious enclosures that mimic the animals' natural habitats. Kids will love the petting zoo, where they can get up close and personal with friendly goats, sheep, and rabbits. The Zagreb Zoo is not just a fun outing, but also a place of education and conservation. Prepare to be enchanted by the Croatian Museum of Naive Art, a unique museum that celebrates the vibrant world of naive art. Naive art, also known as primitive art or outsider art, is characterized by its childlike simplicity, bold colors, and imaginative subject matter. Step inside and be greeted by a world of whimsical landscapes, charming portraits, and scenes of everyday life. The museum showcases the works of prominent Croatian naive artists, each with their own unique style and perspective. Don't miss the works of Ivan Generalic, considered one of the founders of the Haladin School. The Croatian Museum of Naive Art is a testament to the power of creativity that transcends traditional artistic boundaries. Ready for a unique way to experience Zagreb? Hop aboard the Zagreb Funicular, one of the shortest but sweetest funicular rides in the world. This charming funicular has been connecting Zagreb's lower and upper towns since 1890, transporting passengers up the steep hill in just 64 seconds. As you ascend, imagine yourself traveling back in time. The funicular has retained its original wooden carriages, adding a touch of nostalgia to the ride. Once you reach the top, you'll be greeted by stunning views of Zagreb's rooftops and the lush greenery of the surrounding hills. The Zagreb Funicular is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a piece of living history and a beloved symbol of the city. No trip to Zagreb is complete without a visit to the iconic St. Mark's Church, easily recognizable by its vibrant, colorful roof. Located in the heart of the upper town, this 13th century church is a true architectural gem. Take a moment to admire the church's most striking feature: its roof, adorned with colorful glazed tiles that form the coats of arms of Croatia and the city of Zagreb. Step inside to discover a tranquil interior adorned with Gothic frescoes and a beautifully carved pulpit. The church's history is as fascinating as its architecture, having served as a place of worship, a meeting place for city council, and even a refuge during times of conflict. It's a place where art, faith, and history intertwine, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. Ready to experience Zagreb's vibrant nightlife? Head to Kaleidoscope Street, a pedestrian-friendly street that comes alive after dark with the sounds of laughter, music, and clinking glasses. Choose a spot to enjoy a traditional Croatian meal, sip on locally brewed craft beer, or savor a glass of Croatian wine while soaking up the lively ambiance. During the day, Kaleidoscope Street is a great place to find souvenirs, browse local boutiques, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee while watching the world go by. Whether you're looking for a romantic dinner for two, a night out with friends, or simply a taste of Zagreb's vibrant nightlife, Kaleidoscope Street is the place to be. While it might seem unusual to include a cemetery on a travel itinerary, Mirogoj Cemetery is more than just a final resting place. It's a true open-air museum, a serene oasis of remembrance and a testament to Zagreb's artistic heritage. Stroll along the tree-lined avenues, admiring the grand mausoleums, ornate sculptures, and peaceful gardens. Mirogoj Cemetery is the final resting place for many prominent Croatians, from artists and writers to politicians and athletes. Don't miss the impressive arcades designed by architect Herman Boll in the late 19th century. Mirogoj Cemetery is a place for reflection, contemplation, and appreciation for the beauty of life and loss. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Zagreb's top attractions. From its grand cathedral to its quirky museums, its bustling markets to its peaceful parks, Zagreb offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and modern-day charm. We hope this video has inspired you to add Zagreb to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel destinations and tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. We love hearing from our fellow travelers. Until next time, happy travels!